Are you both in love?
Well,
Well,
that's that's for the people to find out very soon.
very soon, yes.
May tanong ako sa'yo.
Ano yan?
Marami rin nagtatanong nito eh.
Ano?
Are you in love?
It's for you to find out.
All has to know. Is it just an act for your sponsors and endorsers?
What do you think?
What do you think, sir?
Soon.
Very
soon.
God gave me you. Show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that. Oh, there's more to life.
Totohanan na yan.
Whatever we have now, we're just making
Enjoying
the most
everything,
out of it, and we're just having fun. But
No pressure,
with
no
no
pressure.
pressure. With regards to that question, that's for the people to find out.
Soon.
Very
soon.
Everyone wants to know,
Yes, sir.
are you both in love?
Well,
Well,
that's for the people to find out very soon.
very soon.
You're open
We are.
to having a relationship
We are.
Yes.
We're
with me?
closing doors
And
because
we're both single anyways.
yeah.
Hindi mo akong ginagulat eh.
Hindi na abuti ng Pasko to.
Memoryado ng apelyido eh.
Ano, Alden? Po, maabutin pa.
Hindi ko nga po alam eh. Baka hindi na.
We're not closing our doors anyways. What's going to happen next
Yes.
between the two of us?
Yes.